Hi everybody, it's Moses the Locksmith. I'll show you guys how I cutting the tip key. The customer sent me the key to cut for him. So let me just put this camera that we can see once again. Okay. So first on the side you have two sides, this side and this side. One is for the 8 cut and one is for the 6 cut. Okay, we're using the 6 so it will be on the white. Put the key inside. You close it with this screw. Now, after you close it, I check this side and this side that looks the same. Okay, this one looks a little bit more up, this one looks a little bit more down. So open this up, straighten this, make sure that it's not stuck in the bump that goes all the way till the end. Open this. Tiny bit. Okay, now it looks good, both sides. So this is the single side clamp, so I'm changing it to the double side clamp. And we need to put it on the third line over here in the middle. Let me put it and I will show you. Right over here by the line. So this is number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and you could go over here. I have it saved. Oh, sorry, not this one. I have it saved over here. Okay. Now let's see what the customer's numbers is. 22124. Okay. Okay, so now we need to check it. Number 1 is not cutting at all. Now number 2. Okay, now it tells me to turn it to number 3, but we don't have a number 3, so he will not cut at all. Okay, now we turn it to number 4. Number 4 is the last, I always check. Okay, so now back to number 2, but on the other side. So this is 4, so it's 3, 2, 1. Okay, make sure it's straight, yeah. Now 2. So now we need to turn the key to the other side. Okay. And where it stops is number 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now this will measure it. Now to move to number 2. Now number 3, he will not cut anything. And 4. Three, 2, 1, 2. Okay, the key is cut. Make sure the last cut is over here by the line. With the first cut, looks good in all sizes. So I'm going to brush the key. Okay, I have a lock. It's not for this lock, but I just make sure it goes in and out smoothly. Okay, if you need this service, you guys can contact me. You can send me keys, or I have keys I can cut for you. You can send me a picture of your original key and I can tell you what is the cuts. If you like this video, please leave a like, and you could leave me a comment, say what you're thinking about it. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.